In this video, I will tell you how to use Chat GPT for translation. So let's suppose that you wanted to write an article or a little speech on any topic, but you don't want this to be in English. You want this to be any other language. So how you can actually use Chat GPT? So you will write something like this: write 50 words essay on my best friend. And let's suppose that you want this in Spanish, so you will hit enter and it will actually write the 50 words essay on my best friend in Spanish. So that's how you can use Chat GPT. And let's suppose that if you have this essay here and if you want to actually translate this essay into the English, you will do something like this. You will copy this and or you can actually do this, like translate above essay into English. You will hit enter and it will actually translate this essay into the English. So that's how you can use ChatGPT for translation. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.